Ladies and gentlemen, here we are. We have the Cadillac CT5V. If you guys haven't seen my last video, make sure you guys go ahead and check it out. I've had this car for about 2-3 months and it's been absolutely amazing. I really like the color. I love the style. I love the way it drives. I've been wanting to do a POV night view of this car for quite a while now, and I'm glad we're finally able to do it. I really hope everything looks good on here because I don't know if you guys see me right now, but I have a whole strap to my head. It's I look kind of hilarious. I was pretty embarrassed to wear this out in public, but I was like, man, fuck it. Ain't nobody else paying the bills, you know what I mean? There's only one way to drive this car, and it has to be in track mode. All right, track mode is the best mode that this car could be in. It has most power. Honestly, the CT5V, the V6 twin turbo, I'd honestly say it's a little bit underpowered. It's a little bit underwhelming in regards of speed, and that could be maybe because I've been in 2,000 horsepower cars. But with it having 360 horsepower, I think Cadillac should have added some more horsepower onto this car. Regardless, I love the design. Everything looks good. There's some ambient lighting on the doors as well, carbon fiber inside. The seats are very nice. They have massaging seats, aluminum paddle shifters. This is a car that's supposed to be a sports car. 360 horsepower. Honestly, it's not really gonna cut it nowadays. There's a tune out there that can probably get you to 440 I think it's like 420 to the wheel or something like that. That tune can probably be pretty useful. I haven't personally tried it. I really want to. I did talk to the dealership though. They said they'll void my warranty if I decide to tune this car. So I don't know about that. But yeah, I'm going in the dealership this week to go ahead and get that window switch checked out, and getting an oil change as well. I drove this car about 30. I actually drove this car about like 300 miles one way and 300 miles back, from Castleberry to Lehigh Acres, and the car did absolutely amazing. Oh, going the wrong way. Oh crap. Okay, the car did absolutely amazing. I was literally blowing by traffic, I'll tell you that. The car did great. I had to detail the shit out of it though, because I had my dogs in here and my kid in the back, and it was just a hot mess. Next time we're taking the mom car. Guys, this video, I hope it's gonna be as cool as I think it is. I've seen some of these other videos in the past. Let me put on my seatbelt. I've seen some of these other videos in the past, and I think they're pretty cool. And there's I believe there's no other video out there for the Cadillac CT5V for night POV. So I think it's gonna be pretty cool. As I was telling you guys, you see how there's a nice ambient lighting there and on the doors. I think the car overall is very beautiful, super elegant. I just wish it had a little bit more power. That's the only complaint I have. I love the car, I love the setup, I love everything that Cadillac has to offer. I just would wish at least 400, you know, at least 400 from the factory. Like, come on bro, like it's got to be in the fours. You're spending 70 grand, you know what I mean? So that's all I have to say. Other than that, I love this car. I also love this digital cluster. It looks crazy, like straight out of a fucking race car. There's this one, and then there's the sport one. And the sport one looks even better. It just doesn't, the car has a different type of setting. You could put my mode on it, and it'll show like the sports gauge. I also like the HUD a lot better than the track one, but it doesn't sound the same. I don't know if you can hear it through the camera, but this car does a lot of pops and bangs. And if you actually redline first gear, it does like almost like a achy. I don't even know how to explain it. I'm gonna try to get it in the video. I don't know if you guys heard it, but it did it there. I like going through here because there's so many nice curves. and the walls make the car a little bit louder. I wish this car was a little bit louder as well. I have seen some exhaust out there, but I don't know if they're worth the difference. I mean, I don't know if the money is worth the sound difference. I don't think they sound all that different. I mean, I don't know if I want to do a straight pipe either. I don't know what the hell this thing's gonna sound like. I don't want it to sound like a straight pipe G37 either. But you know, I don't even know what to do with this car. If anybody has any suggestions, please let me know in the comments. I will definitely be reading them. I doubt you can hear it, but in the back, whenever you're accelerating past about 3,000 RPM, there's some nice little burbles, but it's very, very low, deep burbles. You can feel it in the car. I don't even know if you can feel it if you're outside. Pretty windy out today, guys. Let me just real quick flex here, guys. Let me turn on my my massaging seats while I go through these curves. Yeah, I'm trying to see the screen on the GoPro. I really hope this shit still looks good, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna be pissed. This car, if you're shifting manual, I guess it depends on the person. But if you're shifting a manual compared to automatic, oh shit, something going on over there. So if you're shifting in manual rather than automatic, your car is also a lot slower in regards of reaching top speed as fast as possible. Do a quick launch here, guys. Take traction off. That was I didn't want the car. I shifted early the first gear. I didn't want the car to start doing a big ass burnout, because is there a little meat there? What's going on over there? I didn't want this thing to start doing a fucking massive burnout. The first time I did that with traction control off, man, this shit did a fat ass burnout. I was like, yo, what the hell? And this street, there's a bunch of cops on it all the freaking time. I'll do a quick pull here. Hopefully there's no traffic. All right, here we go. It's just so, I love the car. It's just so underwhelming almost. Like it should be fast. It feels a little fast, but it could be faster. And again, I don't know if it's because I've been in 2,000 horsepower cars. Man, I wish this shit had like 500, bro, at least. I'll try to do one more time. All right, ready? Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below. Let me know what you guys think I should do to this car. I know there's some cool body kit parts with carbon fiber. I'm definitely gonna buy those. I might be interested in looking at the tune. I don't know. Probably won't even tell a dealership, but maybe they'll find out. I have no idea. If you guys are interested in a Cadillac, reach out to Jay at Macy Cadillac of South Orlando. Tell them that Jay from Orlando Car Club sent you. Guys, April 6th, we're gonna be at Owner's Pride Orlando. If you guys don't know them, they're a brand new shop here in Orlando. They specialize in PPF and ceramic coating and a bunch of other cool stuff. Guys, definitely go ahead and check them out. We're gonna be celebrating our Motor Madness event, which is gonna be the week after that one. Thunder Saturdays, and again, it's gonna be April 6th at Owner's Pride Auto Spa. And April 13th, we're gonna be hosting our Motor Madness event at Camping World Stadium. If you guys don't know, you heard it right. We rented out Camping World Stadium. April 13th, we're gonna be hosting the biggest car show Orlando has ever seen. If you guys are interested in finding out more information, go ahead and click down below. I'll see you guys at the next one. Thank you for watching.
Aside from my soul.